Knoxville at Island Home Airport there showing calm winds, but Maryville 11, 15 in Tellico Plains, 21 in Athens, 28 in Jamestown, and now Gatlinburg at 12, Townsend at 15. This darker blue, those are going to be 30-mile-per-hour winds in those higher elevations of the Smokies, which is where the wind advisory is in place now through tomorrow morning at 8. That means sustained winds probably 20 to 30 with some gusts 50 or higher at times overnight tonight. So the wind's only going to get gustier, and if we don't see some rain in these areas, it's something that could be concerning again. Would not be surprised even if you don't see thunderstorms. You could have some power outages just from tree limbs maybe that fall on a rogue line here or there. So something to keep in mind. Make sure your phone and tablets are charged just in case. There's a level 1 out of 5 risk for severe storms from Knoxville westward to the plateau, but I really think this risk, as I mentioned yesterday, is dwindling quickly because what's left of this line is moving through Middle Tennessee and really hasn't prompted much of anything. There's been a couple of flashes of lightning, but no warnings have come out, and it's only going to weaken as it moves eastward. So here's where we are now at 6. I'll stop it at 8, and it's approaching the plateau in kind of a weakened state, but there's that very slim opportunity, I would say. This is 10 o'clock, so from about Cumberland, Morgan, southward down towards Ray, Meigs, Bledsoe County, could be a gusty wind. Sometimes what happens is you have these really strong winds aloft, and these showers themselves can bring some of those gustier winds down closer to the surface. So even if you don't have a thunderstorm, you could have some gusty winds. So think about that with your Halloween decorations, okay? They may end up down the street if they're not properly secured. Notice how that band of rain pretty much weakens as it moves eastward. This is midnight, and then we're dry tomorrow morning. Just cloudy and cooler with some 40s. Back across the plateau, grab a jacket for tomorrow. You're going to need it. What we'd like to have is rainfall. There will be some. I don't think everybody sees it. Best chance will be west of Knoxville. Some 1/4 inch to 1/3 of an inch totals, certainly possible there, but notice how it really starts to diminish as it goes eastward. There will be some in and around Knoxville that may not pick up much more than a trace. Same thing areas east, but there'll be a couple, maybe some 1/10 to 1/4 inch. So again, we'll take whatever we can get. It's just I'm not expecting a ton with this. Then over the next several days, it looks mainly dry. Slim chance of a shower as we go through the day Saturday. I really think it's more clouds than anything else. And there's a very low-end chance, the way it's looking right now, of a few scattered showers towards the end of the game. Remember, 7 o'clock kickoff, so it would be a little later Saturday night we have a chance for a few scattered showers. And even though the amounts look light, there are some opportunities as well as we go into the weekend. But again, we'll take whatever we can get. Let's hope we have a few breaks in those rain chances, though, in time for those trick-or-treaters on Monday.